Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. This is my 2007 Mazda MX-5 NC. Now I've got some Aliexpress mods for this car that anyone can do. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. Now these are the mods I've got. We've got centre caps for the wheels, we've got some nice Mazda valve stems, and we've got some uprated LED number plate lights, all from Aliexpress. Now the reason we're changing these out is because these have just gone white. They've kind of just all faded out. So I'm going to see how easy these are to fit. Anyone can do this and makes the wheels look so much better. Right, so to get this out we need something really sharp like a knife. You don't even need any specialist tools, and all we're going to do is we're going to find a point where we can slide this in and pop them out. There we go, as easy as that. And there is the old white one, which clearly isn't silver. So here is the new silver one. As you can see, they're pretty much identical. Let's have a look at the back of them. Very similar in design, but as the main difference is this has just gone like a really dark white colour. So let's see if this fits. There we go, straight in. And look at that. That looks really cool. What an improvement compared to the old knackered one. Right, let's go and do the other three wheels. And here are the old ones. Look how knackered these are. It's like the paint's just completely come off them. But look at them now. They look so much better. Such a cheap little mod that anyone can do. Now the other thing I don't like about the car are these plastic valve caps. They just look really horrible and cheap. So the ones I'm going to do are these ones here, which are little Mazda ones, which are also chrome, and they go really well with the chrome wheel nuts as well. So all you do, unscrew them and then screw the new ones on. And there you go, look at that. Another quick and easy mod, and the same on the other three wheels. The mod I'm going to do is to do with the number plate lights. Now these already have LED lights fitted because I changed the bulbs on my last video, but they're just not that bright. So what I've done is I've bought some super bright ones, which I'm going to show you now. And here they are. These, instead of having one, you've got multiple lights, which will make these super bright. And again, these were really cheap off AliExpress. Right, so to change these super easy, you just put a screwdriver in here and just prise it out, and it comes out just like that. These are pretty easy, but a little bit strange because you kind of keep this mechanism. So what you do is you twist this out to expose the bulb. What you do is you take this bulb out and then you put this connector into the bulb holder, and then that illuminates. So I'm going to do that now. And there you go. You've got to really press these in really hard, but look at the difference between the standard one and the multi one. So much brighter. I'm going to go and do the other one and then clip everything back in. To put these in, you put the small one over here, and then you just press the big one to the left, and then it clips in just like that. And same with this one. I tuck the wiring in like that, and again push the big one into the other side until it clicks. Once they're both in, let's just take this film off, and this one too. And there you go, super bright. So let's see what that looks like on the number plate now. Oh wow, how much more modern does that look? We're going to fit some all-in-one mats that I got from AliExpress to the MX-5. It cost me 45 quid. So these are the old shabby mats we took out, which have got like holes in them. It did say MX-5, but yeah, big holes. And these are the new ones. Now this is the driver's side. They're a little bit crinkly at the minute because they've been in transit from China, and it took like nearly a month to get here. But anyway, and that's the passenger side. So what we're going to do now, we're going to fit them in the car and see what they look like. whilst Eliana's fitting the floor mat, I just want to say over 96% of you guys aren't subscribed to the channel. We'd really appreciate it if you did, because it'll help us bring you more of these kind of videos. So here it is, guys, all done, all in. You have these weird little clips, I'll just show you, that kind of swivel and then tuck under the plastic trim. It is a little bit tricky, and I think there's quite a few in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and it's made out of this Velcro material. I think it's going to take a little while for it to settle in and get those creases out with the heat of the car, but it will work. So that's this side. Now we're going to show you the passenger side. It does look so much better, but you can tell it's cheap because it doesn't quite marry up there. And also, why didn't they just put a bit that goes up there to the tunnel? I don't know, because they've put a bit here. Why not do a bit on the tunnel? But hey ho, it was 45 quid, a good upgrade. And if I want to pay for the expensive ones later on, then I can always do that. So the next little mod I wanted to do, because I get a little bit of rattling, is these. You replace the rubber ones for solid ones, and this really helps with rigidity. So I'm going to change that now. Really easy. Just unscrew like this. You use a 10mm, I think, or do it the hard way, like I've done. And that's out. Right, they're in now. Let's just see if the door actually closes without thudding. Yeah. Excellent. Right, let's go and do the other side now. Perfect. And that should stop the rattling. Something else I've done as well is I've fitted these LED chasers. I'll just show you them. But they're quite cool. Nice addition. Only like 2 or 3 quid from Aliexpress. Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.